Hi and welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. My question, and very important question that many YouTubers might have not given proper answer: to delete your video, unlist them or make them private. My client's new channel had reached YouTube's threshold of channel monetization. He made a big blunder, mistake. He deleted some old videos, and what happened next was boom, his watch time decreased to this. No matter what, if your videos are original and not copyrighted, then any videos should not be deleted. Delete them if you don't mind of losing views and watch time. Deleting videos is a loss of watch time, loss of money.